any type of testing that could show you're okay to drive?
No.
Okay. Just turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Oh
You're under arrest for
my
DUI.
God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay.
On April 3rd, 2025, at 7:15 p.m., an officer pulled over Jennifer after watching her SUV hop the curb twice on Main Street.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm Officer Doug Marion, Police Department.
Yes.
Reason for the stop, you went on the curb twice, going down Main Street.
Okay, so this is a new vehicle for me, and I cannot, I've been trying to figure it out, but here it is.
Okay. Can I please see your driver's license and proof of insurance?
There's that. I knew I have this car for very long, and ever since I've had it, I've been like, I don't know how to drive this. It's too big for me. So.
Okay. Ms. Braggs, I'll ask you a question. How much alcohol have you had to drink tonight?
Not that much.
Not that much? Okay, so I can smell it on you, okay? What's not that much, though?
Not that much. It's like, not that much. I have 3 kids. Please.
Any of them in the back right now?
No.
Okay.
No.
I was making sure.
No.
Make sure them
No. Like, this is my kid-free night. So, yes.
So like what, like one or two, or?
1.
Okay. What's your alcohol choice? I'm just curious. Like beer, tequila, wine?
Beer.
Beer?
Yeah.
Keystone, or what are you drinking?
Do we really have to go over?
I'm just asking questions.
I'm just asking answers.
Okay.
Like.
So here's what we're going to do. I just want you to go ahead and shut your car off and step out for me, okay? Can you please shut your car off and step out of the vehicle for me?
Can we please not do that?
Do what? I need you to turn your vehicle off and please step out, okay?
Okay.
I've asked you 3 times.
Okay. Twice, not 3.
I did 3.
That's fine.
Okay. Can you please turn your vehicle off and step out for me? Do you have any alcohol containers inside the vehicle, ma'am?
No.
Okay. If you would, excuse me, I'm a little cold. Can you step to the front of my next squad for me, okay?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so, again, how much have you had to drink tonight?
Literally, like 1 shot. I was responsible for kids tonight, so I didn't do that much.
1 shot of what? So I'm going to ask you, would you be willing to do some standardized field sobriety to make sure that you are okay to drive your car?
No.
You would not?
No.
Okay. Alright, so...
I'm just... Yeah.
So you don't want to do any type of testing that could show that you are
Do
capable?
you feel like I need to be...
I don't think you need to be driving.
No?
No.
That's why I'm going there to 2 blocks away from me, which is going to take the person that I need to go to my place of destination.
Okay.
And that's where I was heading to, because I was not trying to be driving tonight, and
You think you should have been driving tonight?
no.
Okay. So you had just the 1 shot of Fireball?
Yeah.
Nothing else?
I'm a closed... I have 3 kids, and I do nothing ever.
Okay.
So yeah.
Alright.
No,
Okay.
I absolutely do not think I should have been driving tonight. I will tell you that right now. Like, yes.
Okay.
I will tell you that right now. Shot a Fireball pretty much, and I was going to the cabin to meet a friend of mine who was going to drive me to his house
Okay.
afterwards.
So I'll ask you
Like,
one more time. 100%, you don't want to do any type of testing that could show you're okay to drive?
no.
Okay.
After Jennifer refused the field tests, she was arrested on the spot, only to later agree to a breathalyzer out of fear of losing her license and leaving her 3 kids behind.
Okay. Just turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for DUI.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, so if I do a field sobriety test.
We're already past that point.
Okay, well, really?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Okay. Single mother, 3 kids.
Alright, so I have 1 seatbelt 95.
Wow.
Have a seat.
I need my purse.
I'll get your purse. Have a seat.
What happened to my purse, my
We'll
car?
get your belongings. Your car's going to be towed,
No,
okay?
my car?
Have a seat.
Listen to me.
Jennifer, have a seat. We're not going to do this. Have a seat.
No, I'm going to do this.
Sit down.
because
Sit down.
I am
Sophia.
a fucking business owner.
Put your legs in the car.
Oh my god. Oh
Okay, Miss Jennifer, you can step up for me, okay?
my. You already know. This is.
Can you please step out of the vehicle, Miss
No,
Jennifer?
I can.
Okay.
I can.
And we're gonna walk to that front door. Okay?
I'm familiar. I had a DUI 5 years ago.
Miss Jennifer, I have to read this piece of paper to you, okay? I'll read it in its entirety, and I will explain everything to you, okay? Subsequent to an arrest for driving while under the influence of alcohol or other drugs or intoxicating compounds or any combination thereof, DUI, or Section 11-401, leaving the scene of a fatal or
Did you
personal
test me?
injury accident.
Did you
are
test
here.
me?
Can I please read this?
Nope.
Okay.
Did you test me?
Okay.
No,
You
you
refuse.
didn't.
You refuse.
So you cannot say that I was under the influence.
As provided
Keep
in Section
reading.
11-500
We'll go through this in
of the
court.
Illinois Vehicle Code.
Test me.
You're-
Did you test me?
As provided in Section...
Did you test me?
Jennifer, you refuse those tests. Please let me read this document, okay?
Did
You're a
you-
first offender
yeah.
unless within the last 5
Yeah.
years of this arrest for DUI or leaving the scene you have had a previous conviction or court-assigned supervision for DUI
Yeah.
or similar provision of a local
Yeah.
ordinance or a conviction in any other state for
Trust
DUI
me.
or a
Trust
similar
me.
offense where the cause of action
Oh,
is the
I'm
same
so
or
fucking
substantially
pissed off
similar
right
to the
now.
Illinois Vehicle Code or a driver's license suspension revocation for violating Section 11-501.1 of the Illinois Vehicle Code,
Yeah.
except in cases where you
Yeah.
submit to a chemical
Yeah.
test disclosing an alcohol
Yeah.
concentration
Yeah. Yeah.
of
Yeah.
0.08 or more, the presence of cannabis as listed in the Cannabis Control Act with a delta 9 tetrahydrocannabinol
Okay, so I'm
concentration
so fucking mad
of
right
either
now.
5 nanograms or more of
Okay.
whole blood or 10 nanograms or more of other bodily substance or any amount of drug substance
You
or
did not
compound
even give me a
resulting from the
field
unlawful
sobriety
use or
test.
consumption of a
You
controlled
did not
substance listed
even
in
make
the Illinois
me
Controlled
blow.
Substances Act and intoxicating compounds listed in the use of intoxicating
God
compounds
damn
Act
it. You fucking suck.
or
You
methamphetamine
fucking
as listed in the
suck.
Methamphetamine
Oh
Control
my
and Consumer
God.
Protection Act and were subsequently found not guilty of the associated DUI. Consider the above, you are warned if you refuse or fail to complete all chemical tests requested, and if you are a first offender, your driving privileges will be suspended for a minimum of 12 months, or if you are
Right.
not a first offender, your driving privileges will be suspended for a
I know the
minimum
law, bitch.
of 3 years,
I know
or
the law.
if you
I'm
were involved in a
smarter
motor
than your
vehicle
average bear.
accident that
Stop
caused personal
reading.
injury or
I
death to
know it's
another,
what you
the
have
driving
to do.
privileges will be revoked for a minimum of
Oh
12
my
months.
God.
Personal
Oh
injury
my
means a
God.
type of injury.
That she was in the same position that I was, and that I was taking a friend home. Okay?
243.
I don't know what that stands for, what that represents, but I was trying to make sure that another person got home before I did.
Okay, so
Okay.
can I explain it to you? What this
Yes.
means? Okay.
Yes.
So you said you've had a DUI before, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
5 years ago.
Sure,
And
okay.
I swore on my kid's life that I would never have this happen again.
Okay.
So please, please, I'm telling you. This is just me and you right here right now, right?
Okay.
Like, okay? And all of 3 of them depend on me.
I mean, you're going to get out
All
tonight, okay?
3 of them depend on me because their dad's also suck ass. Okay, like
Are they home with dad right now? The kids? Are they home with dad right now?
they are at home with dad.
Okay.
Yes.
So real quick, you care if I explain this to you, what this means? If you want to know, you don't want to, I don't have to explain it to you.
No, go ahead.
Okay,
I mean,
so-
that's your job.
so you keep-
I'm here because I know it's your job, and I understand that I fucked up and I did my thing.
So
and I
real quick,
get it.
Jennifer, I'm going to ask you in 20 minutes. I have to watch you for 20 minutes, okay?
Yes, that's fine.
At the 20-minute observation time, at the end of it, I'm going to ask you to give a chemical breath sample, blow into a
Okay.
tube.
Okay.
Is that something you're willing to do?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have just my paperwork to do. Sit here for 20 minutes. At the end of it, we'll take care of that, and then,
We blow, and then I go.
yes. Okay, so hang tight for 1 second. We'll get this paperwork done.
However,
Okay?
Following the arrest on April 3, 2025, Jennifer was transported to the testing facility where the 20-minute observation period was completed. Despite her initial hesitation and concern for her children, she ultimately provided a chemical breath sample which registered a blood alcohol concentration above the legal limit. Because the stop was initiated after she was observed driving over the curb twice on Main Street, the breath test results were combined with the officer's roadside observations to secure a formal DUI charge. In court, her driver's license was administratively suspended due to the initial refusal and the subsequent test results. Jennifer was ultimately sentenced to 6 months of probation, ordered to pay substantial fines, and required to complete a mandatory DUI education course and a substance abuse evaluation.
This case serves as a clear reminder that even driving a short distance while impaired can carry long-term legal and personal consequences. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.